Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix HelloFresh app issues. So if you are having trouble with the HelloFresh app, you can usually resolve the issue through standard troubleshooting or by switching to the web platforms as well. So what you could do is, if you're using the app, just want to make sure to go to settings on your device, locate app, locate HelloFresh, make sure to go to storage and cache and clear cache. After which, just go back and select force stop, and you could also enable this for a while. After which, you might also want to make sure to check your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity as well. So you might try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data as well. And you also want to make sure to disable any sort of VPN that you're using at the moment. After which, you might also want to make sure to go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes it might be due to the outdated version as well. So simply want to tap the search bar and type in HelloFresh and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. So now that the app is updated, all after doing all this, if you're having issue, what you want to do is simply completely close the app or the background running app and hold on to your side button and restart your device, and that should definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.